In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files and folders from your computer to Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access Google Drive. So grab your computer and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com and hit the Enter key. This will take you to the Google Drive dashboard. If you aren't logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your files are organized. Next, we'll locate the Upload options, which are quite easy to find. Look over to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New. Click on that, and a menu will appear with two primary upload options, File Upload and Folder Upload. Let's start with uploading individual files. From that menu, click on File Upload. As soon as you do that, a file picker window will pop up on your screen. This is where you can browse through your computer files. Navigate to the specific file or files you want to transfer. You can select just one file, or if you hold down the Control or Command key, you can select multiple files at once. Once you're ready, click the Open button. Your files will then start uploading, and you'll see a progress bar appear in the lower right corner of the screen. This lets you monitor the upload progress, so you'll know when it's done. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the files, this might take just a moment or a little longer. Now, if you want to move an entire folder instead of just individual files, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. Go back to the New button, and this time choose Folder Upload from the menu. A file picker window will open again, but this time you'll navigate to the directory you wish to upload. Select the entire folder you want to transfer, whether it's a project folder, a collection of photos, or any other group of files organized together. Just click on it and then hit Upload or Open. The entire folder, including all its subfolders and contents, will start to upload to your Google Drive. As with individual files, you'll see a progress bar showing you how the upload is going. Keep an eye on this until it tells you that the upload is complete. Once you see that progress bar finish loading, know that your content is now safely stored in the cloud. This means you can access it from any device that you have linked to your Google account, whether it's another computer, a tablet, or even your phone. That's it. You've successfully moved files and folders from your computer to Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, Google Drive is a great way to keep your documents and files neatly organized and accessible from anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.